Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel for those who are returning. And for those new here, thanks for joining me in my art corner. My name is Kathy. I have decided that I'm embarking on a 10-part series painting beach vibes. So yesterday, I painted a seahorse with his friends. Today, it's an ink and watercolor sunset. I haven't painted anything like this before, so not sure how it will turn out. I have sketched in pencil the horizon line, land, waves, and shoreline. I'll go ahead and add in the ink lines and add the masking fluid for the sun and water reflections. So, put on your flip-flops and have a seat in your beach chair, sit back and relax. I'm using a triangle to make sure I have a straight horizon line. I'm going to use a circle template to add the masking fluid for the sun. I can't decide how large I want the sun. Bear with me here. Okay, I think I've decided, finally. Now, inking in the lines. I'm using a Sharpie pen to ink in the solid areas. Sharpie pen worked really well with watercolor. They are definitely waterproof. Please don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy this content, and tap that little bell. I would appreciate it so much. It's time to lay down the first layer of watercolor, starting at the top part of the sky and working my way down, with of course the lightest colors. Oh my gosh, I forgot to add in the masking fluid for the water foam on the waves. I'm drying up the watercolor and adding in the masking fluid. Probably not the right way to go about it, but doing it anyway. We'll see what happens. Well, I need to let this dry, so I'll be back. The painting is dry. Now time for the second layer. Hey everyone, make sure you stay tuned for the pro tip at the end of the video. If you haven't already, hit the like button. That would be awesome. Alright, second layer is done. I'll let this dry and be back in a snap. Alright, ready for the third layer? I'll be adding heavier and more saturated colors. Continue to build on the prior layers. Go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the painting or maybe a suggestion how I might improve on it. I'm grateful for all comments. Okay, third layer is done. After letting it dry, I'll erase the masking fluid and add some more ink to add more details and movement to the painting. Anyway, that's my plan. It's been about an hour and a half, so it should be nice and dry. Let's get this masking fluid off. There are areas that I'm not happy with, so I'm adding some more color. Now, adding in the ink. Well, I think I'm finished. What do you think? I think it's a work in progress. Sometimes it's a hit, sometimes it's a miss. I think I need more practice. I might add some yellow around the sun, because it isn't standing out as much as I would like. I'll be back and see what you think. Now for the pro tip. This is a very important tip for when you are planning the layers for your painting. General guidelines for layering watercolor. Use 100% cotton paper. High-quality watercolor paper, like Arches or Saunders Waterford, can handle 5 to 7 layers or more without breaking down. Lower quality paper like student-grade cellulose paper may only handle 2 to 3 layers before it starts pilling or warping. Here's the finished painting. You can see that I added in yellow around the sun. It enhanced the white of the sun and was an improvement. I want to thank you for joining me in my art corner. I hope you enjoyed this mini beach escape. Please, stop by again. Happy painting!